Broadcasting live from the Toyota Prius V. Here's how to haul long things in your Toyota Prius. So it doesn't matter what kind of Prius you have. A lot of people will, with the front seat, like they'll fold the front seat up like that. And the Prius life hack that gives you a lot more room is you remove the headrest and then you fold the seat back and it makes a flat area. So on the Prius V, I've got like 10 feet of room so I can haul gigantor boxes with the Prius. And it fits. So that's it. Rather than moving the seat, you move the seat forward and then you flop it down and then you get a nice flat area here. The bug out people do this too. If they're, if you're Wimbayama and you're going camping, you could fit in here. You could actually sleep in here. Dude, a lot of Prius pride. Look how much box is in there. Unfortunately, there's another box that I left at the store with my son and I got to go pick them up because they wouldn't all fit. But that's pretty good use of space for a small car. And another big box lesson is if you buy a couch from IKEA, it comes in giant boxes. You can buy shelves and dressers and things and they come in small boxes, but a couch is going to be big.